Hello guys, in this part we'll learn more about C# comments. Comments can be used to explain C# code and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. We have two ways for comment: single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments start with two forward slashes. Any text between two slash and the end of the line is ignored by C#. This means will not be executed. This example uses a single line comment before a line of code. And this example uses a single line comment at the end of a line of code. Console.writeLine hello world. And this is a comment. Multi-line comments start with a slash a star and ends with a star slash. Any text between this and this will be ignored by C#. This example uses a multi-line comment, a comment block to explain the code. I paste the comment and console.writeLine hello world. Now one question: single or multi-line comments? It is up to you which you want to use. Normally we use single comment for short comments and multi-line comments for longer.